Hi, I'm Alex from Graco, and this is Josh and Mac, and we're going to show you how to use the Cradle Me Lite 3-in-1 carrier. There are 3 modes of use. Here's how to use the baby facing out mode. First, you'll put the carrier over your head. Next, you'll buckle the waist belt. After that, you'll adjust the back adjuster. You can do this yourself before you put on the carrier or have a friend help you out. Next, you'll tighten up the straps just a little bit before baby gets in. For facing out mode, you'll attach the 2 blue loops to the buttons. And then after making sure that the head support is facing down, you're ready for baby. Once the baby's in, using one hand to support the baby, buckle each of the magnetic clips. Next, buckle the 2 side buckles. Up next, tighten all of your straps to make sure everything is secure and comfortable. Also for facing out mode, you'll want to do a slight pelvic tilt with baby to make sure that he or she is nice and comfortable in the carrier. And then you're ready to go.